Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make Nepali Newty. We will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of Newty soya beans, oil, 7 garlic cloves, 2 inches of ginger, 1 medium onion, 2 tomatoes, green chili and coriander. As for the spices, you will need 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and salt. So go ahead and soak the Newty in cold or hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Once that's done, you want to squeeze out all the water from the Newty and then cut them in half. Like so, and then the rest is simple. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again. Bye!